Hey guys, today I will be testing out my fidgets that I got for Christmas. And in case you don't know me, hi, my name is Jackie, and welcome to my channel. So first we're going to be testing out my keyboard poppet.
Oh my God. Roscoe, you okay? What do you mean? Well, look, your face looks like you got run over by a tractor. Really? I feel fine.
Hold on just a second. Okay, I'm back.
Feels good. 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 Hey, it might be a good idea to stop teasing everybody. Why are you trying to front? I'm not fronting.
No joke, 10 out of 10. Burger poppet.
Roscoe Jenkins, I knew would have owned that.
The bad side is so bad.
Yeah, the new and improved Roscoe 7.0. I think Roscoe 1.0.
But the good side, on the other hand, 10 out of 10. French fry poppet.
Yeah, I got this.
10 out of 10.
Of course.
Mini square poppet.
Why you ask? Oh, no. I'm just...
10 out of 10.
We just catching up. The win is gonna
Mini circle puppet.
got the caterer, R. Kelly singing, Beyonce is gonna choreograph the electric slide.
10 out of 10. Don't worry, you guys. We only have like 3 more to go. But that's just in poppets. A mini, well, not quite mini, but color changing pea poppet.
I do.
10.
Jamal.
Another color changing pea poppet. But they only color change in the sunlight. And it's dark outside. Reversible octopus.
I never quite understood that. It's just a saying, you know? Protect yourself, be your own man. Well, that's fine, son, but the time you gotta depend on others, family and friends.
10 out of 10. It is so cute.
That's certainly not something you teach a child.
Planet Dimple.
Some kids learn on their own, Daddy.
10. A dimple spinner. 10 out of 10. Pineapple snapper. Love it. 10 out of 10. A mini snake. I would have to say a 7 out of 10 because it turns too easily. I have another one, but this one is for my niece. Make sure you go subscribe to her. Her channel name is Alex the Leopard Gecko. Please go subscribe. 4 mini pop tubes. infinity cube. Still not too used to working these easily yet. I had it for such little amount of time, and I mainly have been messing with the poppets. But I would have to say 6 out of 10. Mini Slinky, 4 out of 10. Pretty basic and just kind of boring. Spike balls. I don't get why people hate these so much. They feel so good. But I would have to say 5 out of 10. DNA stress ball. 7 out of 10. Of course, some acupuncture rings. I have 5 of them. And I would have to say 10 out of 10. They feel so relaxing on your fingers. I have 6 mochis. A starfish mochi. A blueberry mochi. A white unicorn mochi. A pink pig mochi. A blue squirrel mochi. And a white bear mochi. They're kind of boring, but super adorable. Because of their cuteness, I would have to rate it 6 out of 10. 6 monkey noodles, probably 5 out of 10. They're super, super stretchy. And this is the last item, I promise. A fidget pad. 10 out of 10. And that's all the fidgets that I got for Christmas. So, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!